The Recon 60-inch tailgate LED is going to pack equal parts functionality and styling into the relatively small $100 price tag, making it a great choice for the 97 to 14 truck owners out there looking to kick things up a little bit more in the tailgate area. Now the 60-inch Recon will combine both red and white LEDs, which will serve as a running light, a brake light, your turn signals and hazards, while the white lights will add a little bit more visibility to the reverse lights while backing up. Now the peel and stick plug and play install will get a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, with a little bit more detail to come later in the video. So for those truck owners who might not be terribly familiar with what Recon does, this is what they do. They specialize in producing a wide range of aftermarket lighting, whether it be a new set of headlights, bed or cab lights, interior stuff. It's all going to be about lighting here with Recon. And more specifically, they are making a big push into the LED market, as is the case with a lot of manufacturers, because let's be honest, that's just simply where the technology is going. But what do you say we talk a little bit more about what the tailgate bar can do? And honestly, it is pretty impressive, especially given that low price tag. Now, like most tailgate bars out there, it is going to function as a combination of a running light and brake light, which is pretty nice from a safety aspect. But on top of that, you're also going to be getting the added turn signal and hazard functionality, again, increasing the visibility of those intentions. And last but not least, the Recon is also going to incorporate that white LED lighting as well to illuminate in reverse, which, by the way, will not only make you a little bit more visible while backing up, but those bright white LEDs will also help make things a little bit more visible at nighttime, especially for those guys out there running a tailgate camera. But lighting and features aside, the Recon tailgate bar will feature a fully sealed weatherproof case to house all of those little bright 3mm LEDs, and even features an inline fuse built in the event of a power surge. Because let's be honest guys, definitely better to pop a fuse than to fry the whole light bar, and that is something I definitely like about the Recon product. Finally, the Recon will mount to the tailgate area by using the supplied 3M automotive tape, which means no drilling or permanent modification needed. And this is a great time to segue into the simplicity of the install again. Peel and stick is only half of the job. The plug and play aspect here, thanks to the included wiring, makes up the second half, and therefore I'm gonna go extremely soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, and maybe about 30 minutes of your time from start to finish. Now Recon does give you some options when it comes to wiring, but again, if you do want to go the plug and play route, you just simply need to plug the included harness into your trailer light connector, and that's pretty much it. However, if you do a lot of towing and would rather not rely on your trailer connector, then you can definitely hardwire the Recon light into your factory tailgate harness. Either way, when it comes time to get the light in place, just simply make sure the area on your tailgate is nice and clean before getting started. Make sure there's no wax or anything like that. A little alcohol or an alcohol prep pad will certainly do the trick. Once installed, just simply run your wire down to the connector and plug it in, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is gonna be a very easy install. In fact, you might just spend more time hiding the wire than actually getting this thing in place. But if you're looking for some extra light and visibility for your brakes, your turn signals, your hazards, and even those reverse lights, be sure to check out Recon's stylish option right here at AmericanTrucks.com.